Hello everybody. Today I've got a Ikon Assa Abloy. These locks, I've picked Ikon Assa Abloys, and what goes for these locks is the tight tolerance is so tight they make them really hard to pick. It doesn't matter what kind of pin works in them. You know, obviously Assa Abloys cornered the market with them, which is cornered the market with most good locks these days. And with the warden as well as this as well, it's dead, like it looks like jagged teeth. So we're going to give it a shot. And there's your key between. Look at the teeth on that thing, man. We'll give it a shot. This will be your first time open. I've had a few goes of it, I just cannot get it open. I think I figured a way to make my life a little bit easier, like. Where you going? I want to keep me picking the air instead of leaning on things if I can. Like one, I think on one. Warden just catches it out. I was going to use my blue pick, but it's disappeared. But that's what happens when you've got kids. And click off 6. And click off 3. Let's try that number 1. Make sure that the set number 1 is set. Try number 2, that's binding. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me. 6. I've got a bit turned in the core. That's number 2. The spring pressure. This is unreal. And now go. I got it open. There you go, popped. Right, let's get this thing gutted. Lock it up. Pop that back clip off. Right, keys. And restricted keys as well, so you can't get them copied unless you've got the card. And I have really good locks. These Ikons, they're really good manufacture. These have got some great locks, like real good locks. Alright, stick that there, pull that key out, and let's get these out. 1, 2. Oops, stick that there. Right, just spin them around. Just make a nice quick, no countermeasure. It's got actually an extra hole for so me 7 pinner. Right, I will just fire these out for speediness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one, and 6. Right, just put them all there. Turn them around. Put the springs out. And put the springs at the bottom. Right. That is them all out. Here we go, and there's your card. Look, you can see it's got side rails on both sides. That's for probably other models of Ikon. Right, here we go. And there is your pin work. As you can see, you've got a mixture of standards and spools. There's your key pins and there's your springs. So that is your Ikon Assa Abloy. Picked and gutted, and I will catch you next week. I just thought I'd sneak a cheeky one in when I've got a bit of time. Hope everybody stays safe, well, happy picking, and ta-ra.